Which Django middleware class is primarily responsible for enabling cross-site request forgery, CSRF, protection? Option A, Django.middleware.common middleware. Option B, Django.middleware.csrf.csrf view middleware. Option C, Django.contribution-sessions.middleware.session middleware. Option D, Django.contribution-auth.middleware. What is the primary purpose of Django's select_related method in a query set? Option A, to pre-populate related objects in the cache to improve performance. Option B, to reduce the number of database queries by retrieving related objects in the same query. Option C, to enforce data integrity by ensuring related objects exist before saving. Option D, to automatically generate URLs for related objects in templates. In Django's REST framework, what is the role of a serializer? Option A, to define the database schema for the API. Option B, to convert complex data, like query sets, to native Python data types that can be easily rendered into JSON or XML. Option C, to handle user authentication and authorization for the API. Option D, to route API requests to the appropriate view functions. Which of the following is the correct way to define a custom management command in Django? Option A, create a file named commands.py in your app's root directory. Option B, create a management directory in your app, then a commands subdirectory, and place your command in a file named command_name.py. Option C, create a file named manage.py in your project's root directory. Option D, modify the settings.py file to What is the purpose of Django's signals module? Option A, to handle asynchronous tasks using Celery. Option B, to enable communication between different parts of a Django application or between different Django applications through predefined events. Option C, to define custom error messages and logging levels. Option D, to automatically generate documentation for your Django project. Which Django template tag is used to load static files, CSS, JavaScript, images? Option A, %load URL %. Option B, %load static %. Option C, %load I18 and %. Option D, %load cache %. What does Django's make migrations command do? Option A, it applies existing migrations to the database. Option B, it creates new migration files based on changes to your models. Option C, it optimizes the database schema for performance. Option D, it validates the integrity of your database data. When using Django's caching framework, which cache backend is typically recommended for production environments with high traffic? Option A, Lock Memcache. Option B, File System Cache. Option C, Database Cache. Option D, MEMC8 or Redis. What is the best practice for handling sensitive information, such as API keys or database passwords, in a Django project? Option A, store them directly in the settings.py file. Option B, commit them to the Git repository with proper access control. Option C, use environment variables and access them through os.environ. Option D, encrypt them using a simple hard-coded key within the application. In Django's generic class-based views, example list view, detail view, what is the purpose of the context_object_name attribute? Option A, to define the name of the template to be rendered. Option B, to specify the URL pattern for the view. Option C, to define the name of the variable that will hold the object or list of objects in the template context. Option D, to set the HTTP status code returned